How to reply to an email in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail, log into your account, then click on the email you want to reply. Scroll all the way down and you'll find reply. Click on reply. In here, you can attach file by clicking on pin as well, which is on the left side. To reply, simply type and then click on arrow on right side. After that, your reply will be sent. As you can see, I have replied to this email and it has been sent. You'll find this kind of screen pop up after you send it. This is how to reply to an email in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.